We are privileged to be part of Santa Lucia here in Dumaguete. And isa lang ho mapapangako namin, hindi ho kayo mauubusan ng project na ibebenta. We assure you of that. We welcome you every day in our office. Feel free to bring your clients, your agents, your sales partners here to the office for coffee. They can help you here, they can assist you. And thank you for welcoming Santa Lucia here in Dumaguete.